This is a post-mortem review on a Ryobi RTS20 table saw. So it's 10 years old. I'll just point out some things that maybe didn't work out well with it. Maybe I used it too much. The finish is worn off. I didn't use it every day, maybe every few weeks over its 10 years. But this is difficult to crank up. Now the problem is, look, it's almost square. And the adjustments down here just have too much slop. You can set it and it doesn't stay. Looks pretty good now, but then you start cutting, it goes brrr. Loosens up again. Like, tighten the heck out of the nut behind there and it doesn't end up in the right spot. And there's nothing to tie it off to the side of the machine to keep it steady. It's all plastic and it just bends. So yeah. And the fence, that wasn't straight either, so I had to stop using that. And it's a cheap one, so it's got these weird notches in there. They're not 3/4 like a regular table saw. So you could acquire some thinner stuff to put in there. It's just bar stock for a crosscut sled of some sorts. And this is probably the cheapest square I ever saw. It doesn't lock in. Cheapest square I ever saw. Doesn't lock in. This table extension was kind of nice. Comes way out. Used to be one over here. Look at this, the safety switch here. It's I'll unplug it first. It's easy to turn on, hard to turn off, because the other switch melted. Wore out and melted. Now listen to this thing. Woo-wee, that's loud! How's that for loud? Let's try this one. That's a little better, isn't it? So, this is light. You can move it around pretty easily. Guess that's okay still. But there it goes. That's the last time I'm going to turn it on.